Hello, and welcome back to the Coding Hub. In this video, we will have a look at how to install Unity on a Chromebook. Now, if you want to do game development, you previously couldn't really do much. There was some possibilities using web technologies, but if you wanted to do stuff like Unity or some of the other game engines, you didn't have many options. And the reason for that is not a lot of these development IDs for gaming were running on stuff like Chrome or Linux even. And with the ability to install Linux on your Chromebook now, you can actually get Unity Hub and make projects just using your Chromebook. Obviously, it will be a lot better if you have a decent processor, so something like an Intel i5 or higher with 8 GB of RAM. But yeah, in this video we'll show you how to actually get started. So personally, I'm not a game developer, so I don't know much about this, but I will show you how to do this anyway. So what you need to do is head over to unity3d.com/get-unity/download. And here you can download the Unity Hub app image. So if you just click download, it will start downloading. I'm going to cancel that now, but wait for that to finish downloading, and once it's downloaded, what you'll need to do is actually move that file into your Linux files on your Chromebook. Now, I've done that already, and I've moved it inside my the root of my Linux files, and then I've created a folder called Unity, and you can see here I've got another folder and the Unity Hub app image. Now what you need to do is just run it with sudo the Unity Hub image like so. So you just need to execute it. If you can't execute it, just make sure you check the permissions. So apologies, don't run that with sudo. And wait for it to load. And as you can see here, I've got my project here that I started a while back now, that I've just been using to learn really. As I said, I've never worked with Unity or game development, so I was just using this to learn how to make games. But let's open that up. And in here I'm running through one of the Unity tutorials, which basically allows you to create this kind of rolling ball project. I haven't got very far with it, but you'll see here in a second when it opens me working on that project and all the different things you can do with Unity on Chrome OS. So let's just wait for that to load. Okay, and there we go. I will close this for now because I do want to update, but not right now. And as you can see here, here's my rolling object. As you can see, and I can actually click play, but that doesn't actually do anything, unfortunately, because I haven't actually made the ball move yet. I've only set it up. If I click play. Oh, that was playing. Let's click play. Yeah, as you can see, nothing actually happens. But you can see here, I've got my my main camera. Actually, I need to stop playing. Maybe, yeah. There we go. Yeah, so you can see here, I've got my player, my ground, and you can do all the things you're usually familiar with on Unity. I'm just not very familiar with it myself. You can see all my different files in here and scripts, and I've got my C# files as well, and I can do stuff with those as well. So yeah, that's Unity on a Chromebook. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.